Hey guys, today we are going to build this router UPS. It might look weird for you if you are not electrical. I built this router, and the idea was in my head for 2 weeks, so I decided to build it. Before we start, this is picture how I did connect the wires. I made this picture with Photoshop, so it might look weird for you. I added the numbers 1, 2, 3 for the converters, so in the description you will find what voltage you should use and what amps limit. And here you can see the components I did use, and also I will add them in the description. I'm not going to use some of the components because in the video I found some issues with them. This is the old model I draw, but I did some updates and don't use it. Now let's start building it. First I will drill 4 holes, and I will use the holes for the fuse, LED, 12V out plug and switch. Here I started to put mark on the box. Before putting or doing anything, watch the video till the end because I made some mistakes, and I will tell you what mistakes later. Here I made some mistake. I added the small holes on the edges, and the box next side there is the screw holder. But no problem, I made the mistake. Make sure you don't make it. I have second box and I will use it. Now I will install the screw nut assortment. In the video I set the step-up converter to 14 volt. I set it to 14 volts so when I have electricity on, the step-down converter will take the higher voltage that's coming from the 20 volt USB Type-C, and when the electricity off it will use the 14 volt. For some reason the step-down converters didn't work, and I'm not sure why. But it might be because the holes we made, or because I thought the holes works in and out. I did try with 4 converters and all broken, and in the end I didn't like the converters and I got better ones and can handle more current. I made new holes for the converters on the box. Also the old holes I didn't do anything from them, because the cables and converters will cover it. Now let's get the step-down converter voltage limit and current limit for this converter. And the best way to set limit for them, first check the voltage and set it down for 1 to 5 voltage, and then short output and set the amps down. I will use this convert for the 12 volt output that's going to router. The second step-down converter, I will set it to 13.6 volt, and current limit 2 amps. I added mark on the step-down converter, the B mark that will be used to charge the battery, and the O that will go to the output. Next step, I will make holes for the wires. Now I will place down the converters and connect the wires. Before placing this I will short the 20V, so when 20 volts Type-C comes it will auto-select it. Now let's go back to placing everything on the box. And now we have router ops. It was hard build. You can build same but better, if you use better converters and more better stuff.